Hello everyone, Namaste. Today is a special day for me. According to the Indian calendar, I was born exactly 50 years ago on the Ashtami that falls just before Mahashivratri. On this day, which happens to be my 50th birthday according to the Indian calendar, I reaffirm my resolve to bring you world-class content for yoga and related matters. So what can you expect to see in March and April? Well, I have 3 videos coming up. The first video is actually a set of 4 videos, a 4-part series on Vedic chants, which cover mantras, shlokas and sutras that are important for any yoga student or even a practitioner of spirituality. Current students at S. Vyasa will find this series very helpful for their curriculum. The first episode of the 4-part series on Vedic chants will cover the 10 key Shanti mantras as are taught at S. Vyasa Yoga University. The second episode of the video series will cover the 4 streams of yoga. This is a chosen set of 72 Bhagavad Gita verses that provide us an essence of Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga and Raj Yoga. The third episode will cover all key opening mantras which are taught at S. Vyasa University. This includes the Sun Salutation Mantra, the Yogasana Mantra, Bhojan Mantra and a few others. The fourth episode of the 4-part series will be a short one. It will cover a set of important verses from our scriptures that provide us an insight into the various definitions of yoga. The second video that I will do in March has been a much requested one, both from prospective students of BSc and MSc courses, as well as from S. Vyasa faculty members who wish to share this video to address incoming student questions. As you know, the admissions will start very soon at S. Vyasa for the upcoming intake in July 2021. This video is currently in the works and a few existing students at S. Vyasa are recording their interesting experiences as we speak. Now the third video that I will release in about a month from now got onto my list a little unexpectedly. I was originally planning to create a few interesting videos on stories from Upanishads and explore the links between yoga, music and languages. But recently I got in touch with a group of educators and decision makers at an interesting eco-village coming up in India. So I have started to explore the field of yoga in the education sector now. This video will be my first attempt to understand the impact of the new education policy in this regard. This video may include my discussions with a few PhD students in this area. That's all for today, folks. I will see you all in a few weeks and I will continue to celebrate my 50th birthday in silence today. Until then, peace be with you.